Welcome back. Simple Sundays cooking with Zion. This is the night. Look at the way I look. This is called game night. Collar. This is actually executive chef jacket that I stole from the producer. Actually, he allowed me to wear this. But tonight's the night, guys. We're going to do some shrimp scampi. Very simple, very light. So that it can be a romantic light dinner. How about that? So that there's no gassy foods. So everything comes together very nicely. So we're going to roll it out with some homemade scampi, zucchini squash, on some sourdough bread, Tostitos or Crostinis. So here we go. Purchased at the Costco, excuse me. They're already deveined, the larger shrimp. So it's very simple. You thaw them out. You know, that takes a little bit of about 10, 15, 20 minutes. And I'm placing them inside a saute pan that has the clarified butter that we made earlier. And then I got to put my garlic. So this is minced garlic. These are 3 cloves, but to your taste. And the shrimp and a little bit of kosher salt in there. Tonight is the night that you make me a woman. Yeah, a little bit more clarified butter in there. And also I have the zucchini curlies that we defrosted and sauteed somewhat. So I'm going to place them while those are getting ready. I'm going to place them in a bowl. So we have our zucchini, which, you know, you probably could saute them depending on what you like. But we're really going to use a little bit for dressing of the shrimp. And you see how the garlic's getting right up in there with the clarified butter? And you see how the clarified butter doesn't turn brown. It stays very nice. And when they turn that nice little pink color, that's when you know your shrimps are ready to be plated. So here we go with the curly zucchini. I'm going to place them on our Crostini sourdough bread, in which I purchased because we live in East Los Angeles. It's a great place on 7th and San Pedro in downtown Los Angeles. It's called the Bread Lounge. Look them up. Absolutely delicious. They have all the French pastries you can possibly think of, and it's actually very authentic. So I'm just going to plate. We just want to try to stay on the Crostini here. Just like that. Make sure you get it. Not too much. And it's very light, accompanied with a nice, I would go with the champagne with this stuff. Because it's very light. The bubbly of the champagne is just absolutely wonderful. Not prosciutto, but a high-end or top shelf champagne. Goes really well. And so I have that, and the shrimps are ready to come out. And what I do, this is curly parsley that I chopped up. And that's going to be the last part that I use before I plate it. And all I do is I get 1 shrimp per Crostini. And you can see how fabulous that looks. I'm telling you, this is absolutely wonderful. And if you guys don't like garlic, remember, garlic is an antibiotic. So the person having garlic has a clean mouth. Because if there's any bacteria in there, that garlic. And I'm going to use the extra clarified butter to place on the top. Just like this. Look how professional this looks. This is game night, guys and girls. Teenagers of age 18 years old and above. And that's it. With some champagne. Well, the young kids under 21, no drinking. Apple cider. And this is what we have. Like I said, if this doesn't do it for anyone for a beautiful romantic Valentine's 14th night, I don't know what, but you should get it on. Look at that, man. Magnificent. Thanks for watching, and stop chefing around and get cooking with Simple Sundays Cooking with Zion.